Today I'm going to show you how to make adobo seasoning. Adobo seasoning is a general all-purpose seasoning that's used widely in Caribbean and Latin American cuisine. It's a real simple seasoning, but it's real big on flavor, and it's very garlic forward. So anything garlic forward to me equals excellence. So I love the flavor of it. It's not real spicy at all, to be honest. It's just real flavorful, and you can use it in so many different ways. So let me show you how I make mine. All right, let's make some adobo seasoning. So again, this is garlic forward, so we're using a lot of garlic. I have 3 tablespoons of garlic here. Set it into a mixing bowl. And I have a tablespoon of onion. And I have a teaspoon of dried oregano. Set that in. A teaspoon of salt. And a half teaspoon of white pepper. And this is my own personal little touch to it because I like the color and a little bit of extra flavor. I'm using a teaspoon of paprika, and this is a sweet paprika, but you can use hot paprika, yum. And that's it. Look at this. It's very few. This is only 6 ingredients. I'm just going to mix it all together in a bowl, and boom, there you go. This is adobo seasoning. So the thing about adobo seasoning, again, this is a general purpose, all-purpose seasoning for all kinds of dishes. You can make it in different ways, and you can use different ratios if you want more salt to it or more white pepper, maybe a little less garlic. Oh, no way. But seriously, there's other ingredients that you can use, and it'll vary from cook to cook. And I actually have a list of those ingredients on the website that you can use to kind of mix and match and make it your own. But this right here, this is my preferred blend. It's real easy to make, few ingredients, and it's great for just general all-purpose cooking, and I absolutely love it. So that's it. That's how you make adobo seasoning. It's great for many dishes, as I said, and I've got some links on the site for all the different dishes you can use it on. But that's it, Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I would love to hear how you make yours, and shoot me a note. I'd love to hear it. See you next time in the kitchen. All right, thanks. Bye.